Hi, this is Extend Office. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to hide duplicate rows in Excel. You'll learn how to hide duplicates while keeping the first occurrence visible, or hide all duplicate rows, including the first occurrence, depending on your needs. First, we will learn the advanced filter method. Select your entire data range, including the header row. Go to the Data tab. Click Advanced. In the Advanced Filter dialog box, select Filter the list, in place. Check Unique Records only. Then click OK. Excel immediately displays only unique records, keeping the first occurrence visible while automatically hiding all remaining duplicate occurrences. This method checks the entire row when looking for duplicates. If you want to hide rows based on duplicates in a specific column, for example, column A, specify only that column as the list range before applying the filter. If you want a faster and more flexible solution, Kutools for Excel provides a dedicated Find Duplicates feature. After downloading Kutools, select your data range. Go to the Kutools tab. Click Find. Then choose Find Duplicates. To find duplicate rows with completely identical values across all columns, leave all checkboxes selected. If you want to identify duplicates based on a specific column, keep only that column selected and clear the others. Choose Hide Duplicates. Then click OK. Kutools instantly hides duplicate rows while keeping the first occurrence visible. The previous 2 methods keep the first occurrence visible. If you want to hide every row that belongs to a duplicate group, including the first occurrence, use a helper column together with filter. To identify duplicate values in column A, enter this formula. If you want to identify duplicate rows based on multiple columns, such as columns A through C, enter this formula instead. Here I will use the second formula to compare all values in a row. After selecting the range, press F4 to make it an absolute reference. This keeps the range fixed when copying or dragging the formula. After pressing Enter, the formula returns true for rows that belong to a duplicate group, and false for rows that contain unique values only. Next, go to the Data tab and click Filter. Open the Filter drop-down in the Helper column. Select only False. Then click OK. Excel now displays only unique records. All rows that belong to duplicate groups, including their first occurrences, are filtered out and hidden from view. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Excel tutorials.